Very much, Jim Rice, for joining us. Scientists have revived dire wolf, a species that went extinct nearly 12,500 years ago through genetic engineering. The two pups that have taken the scientific world by storm are named Romulus and Remus. They are just 6 months old, but they already measure nearly 4 feet and weigh over 36 kilograms. The company behind their resurrection, Texas-based Colossal Biosciences, said it created the direwolf pups by using ancient DNA, cloning and gene editing. Here is what the professor from the Flinders University in Australia had to say about the discovery.
Claim all these great big things and then you don't provide the associated evidence, especially in something as controversial as this, that is a massive red flag. It suggests that, well, at best, they've over-exaggerated. At worst, they're lying through their teeth.
We are joined by Dr. Vijay Kumar Joshi, the former director of the GSI. Thank you very much for joining us. What an amazing kind of scientific discovery, Dr. Joshi. Why is this so significant?
Well, something new in science is always significant, and it always attracts us. Resurrection of this dire wolf is, something like dinosaurs coming back. But the thing is, first we should know why these animals became extinct. Because there were certain ecological conditions prevailing at that time. They were surviving, and then due to lack of availability of food or climatic conditions or whatever, they became extinct. Now, if we resurrect this dire wolf, if the body size was large, the jaw size was large, the power of the jaw, present wolf has a power of about 900, power of jaw is about 900 pounds per square inch. So it's a massive jaw, and if you are creating a dire wolf, naturally the power will be much more to crush more bones. The question is whether this wolf will get the type of food his ancestors were getting or not, whether the climatic condition or ecological conditions will be the same or not. But in the scientific field, it's a good thing because someday I may hear that my great-grandfather has been resurrected.
Dr. Joshi, the scientists that have created this and others as well are calling this the first de-extinct animal ever. What kind of future, what can we expect from the future? Is there more animals that they're going to de-extinct in the future?
Perhaps they cannot. There were animals, about 250 million years ago. Almost 98% of life became extinct on the earth. We are descended of the 2% which remained. And this extinction and resurrection sort of thing has been going on since ages. So the present fauna or flora, whatever we have, is there because of the certain present conditions. And if we bring back the old animals, then we may not be able to bring back the old ecological conditions also. The type of prey they wanted, the type of grass they wanted, or the type of trees we had, or the type of climate we had. So there are many issues. But human mind is very curious, So we go on doing such things to go into the past. We are always curious about the past.
This is the same company that are looking at bringing back the woolly mammoth. So you're saying that there is actually a problem in this, Dr. Joshi?
If we get back if we recreate the woolly mammoth, then we need the type of ice he was living in, the type of cold climate he was surviving in. So I'm not sure. I'm not a paleobiologist, to be frank. I'm a geologist and a paleontologist, so I can talk about fossils, but recreation gene science is not my branch.
Yeah. Dr. Vijay Kumar Joshi, thank you very much for joining us. We move now